Hey guys, I hope everyone is doing fine. Today we're going to make some paneer parathas. They're delicious, they're healthy, so let's just get started without much ado. So for this, I'm just going to take 200 grams of grated paneer in a bowl. Just add some ginger into it, around 1 inch of grated ginger. Then we have to add around 1 green chili finely chopped, a little bit of mint leaves, and around a half cup of coriander leaves finely chopped. Just mix all of this well together. Now we're going to add all the masalas into the mixture. For this I'm taking 1 tablespoon of amchur powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of ajwain seeds that I'm just going to crush lightly from my palms so that it releases that beautiful aroma. Then I'm going to add around 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and some salt to taste. We're again going to mix it really well, and our masala for the paneer paratha is going to be ready. So as you can see that our dough is already ready. I prepared this before I made the masala so that it gets time to sit. So let's start making the parathas. So for this I'm just taking a thick ball of the dough and I'm just going to spread it out like this with my fingers. Make sure that the middle part is thicker and the sides are thinner. Once this is done, just add 2 tablespoons of masala into this. And then we'll just stick all the corners together like this. Just making sure that no masala is falling out. Just press everything nicely. And we'll just dust some dry flour onto this and start rolling it. Roll it out very gently so that your paneer masala does not come out. It is okay if it comes out a little bit, but just make sure that you are very light on your hands while you're rolling this out. So while rolling it out, I'm just going to make sure that the paratha is not too thick because I do not want more of atta in each bite. I want more of the paneer masala. So I'm just going to make sure it is not too thick. Do not make it too thin either because at the end it is still a paratha. So just keep that thickness in mind while you're rolling it out. Now just take a heated pan and put your paratha on it. Make sure that the temperature is high. You will start seeing these little bubbles on top. That is the time that we are going to flip the paratha. Apply generous amount of ghee on this half cooked side. Just flip the paratha again. In similar manner, apply ghee on the other side as well. After you apply the ghee, make sure that you reduce the temperature to around low to medium so that our paratha is very well cooked and becomes crispy. Keep flipping the paratha from time to time on both the sides and make sure that both the sides are very well cooked. Make sure to cook the paratha on medium flame only and not increase the temperature so that our paratha is very well cooked, everything from inside is well cooked and you get this nice and crispy paratha. So as you can see, our paratha is really well cooked and it is ready to be served. Just serve these parathas with some dahi, some mint chutney, some pickle or whatever you liked and just go for it. You are going to love it and I assure you that. Do let me know in the comment section below as to how this turns out for you, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, please do not forget to hit the like button, to subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and also hit the bell icon to be notified. Till then, stay happy and stay safe.